Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Don and this is Adventures This Way. Welcome to my garage. Just thought I'd give you guys a little update. See what's going on here in my world. I haven't been riding for a couple weeks and I gotta say, I'm kind of embarrassed that I haven't even given this like a real full washing. It's pretty embarrassing actually. Like I rinsed it off, but that's as far as it's got. I've been so busy. So for my last ride in the last video, you would have seen, I kind of went almost a little arse over tea kettle. And here's a little bit of carnage. So kind of cracked the back rack here. I went over pretty hard, fast and hard. I lost this piece here. This little plug. Dang it. Keep forgetting to order that. I gotta get that one of those ordered. Kind of broke off the halo lights. You know what? These lights, the back here, I have had nothing but problems with them. I don't know what it is. And then back here, there's a little tab under here. The little tab under there just kind of snapped off, but I can, it should be good to be able to put back. It didn't break the whole thing, just cracked it. Should be able to put it back up underneath that bolt, tighten her back down, will be good. Keep her together. But yeah, we got full use out of the old Renegade bumper. But let me tell you, there were certainly some soft spots, and there were some spots that were quite hard packed. And you had no traction, and then all of a sudden you had traction. And that's what you saw when I kind of went, and it happened so fast. So fast. Crazy. So that was a good learning curve. Gotta remember, I'm still learning with this machine and really riding this Skeg at high throttle. It's a lot of fun, but you gotta be right on top of things. And I don't think it'll happen again next time. Yeah, I think it should be all right. All right, so what I got going on, I take a load of stuff to the dump. I'll show you what all has been going on. That's been taking up a lot of my time. As far as making videos and editing videos go, I have no time for that. It's no problem. I can make that work in my schedule. The big problem is I actually haven't had that much time to ride. Let's have a look-see. A lot of work. And this is a big part of it here. Redoing everything back here. And we just got the new pool liner put in. Just sort of test fitting some of the stones. And let me tell you, got a lot of work ahead of me. A lot of work ahead of me. But fortunately, I have a pretty good schedule where I do have blocks of time off where I can work on blocks. Pun. Get it? Well, time to work on blocks. That's so stupid. Anyways, let me show you the other thing we got going on here. Look at this. A lot of gravel. Check it out. So I redid all the plumbing. Look at that. Look at that. Redid all the plumbing. I was able to reuse some of the old stuff I had. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty happy with this. It's not 100% pro, but you know, a couple of these things here, they're not 100% straight. Pretty close. But nothing leaked. I tell you, got a new pump and everything, and this thing is mint. Like I said, in some of my older videos, when it comes to plumbing and gluing fittings and things like that, when I was working on the Sportsman and doing the snorkels and stuff, I'm telling you, gluing is the way to go with everything. Mickey Mouse snorkel your ATV kits, junk. Absolute junk. Anyways, enough of that. And this has been a big trooper helping with moving gravel and things like that. She's gonna be painting this black. She's gonna be painting it. That's her job. She wanted to take it on. So we got these kind of dark colored stones here. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot of work. Nothing we can't handle. But I still gotta make time for riding. So yeah, back over here, got an old greenhouse that we're gonna convert into something else. To junk over there. Still a lot of things I gotta finish, but you got kind of like a new fire pit area going over here. What time is it? I gotta go soon. The little dog. I gotta take the little dog in for a grooming appointment. this is kind of what we're looking at. Kind of new little area over here. What I really like to do is, you know, once restrictions change and all that kind of stuff, we're pretty restricted here where I live right now. Pain in the butt, actually. But what would be nice would be to have a group of guys over, go for a ride, hit the ATV park, things like that. Come back here, hang out, have a few beverages and barbecue, and sit around the campfire, talk about it, stay overnight, pitch a tent if you want. It'd be nice to do something like that. In appropriate scales, obviously, but it would be cool. So if there's anybody that's not too far away that'd be interested in doing something like that when the time is right, let me know, leave me a comment, and we'll see what we can do. And when it comes to comments and likes, you know, if you really enjoy the videos, give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. You know, it really helps support the channel, and you know, it helps me buy a cup of coffee or something like that. I really got to go here, but the last thing I want to say is thanks a lot for all the support for everybody that has been watching and has been commenting. I really appreciate it. And one question I get asked, some people ask you, well, do you make any money from any of your YouTube videos? I finally got that 1,000 subscriber mark back in, it was January, just right at the beginning of the year. And since then, things have been going pretty well. I've been working hard at it. Trying to put as much good quality content out there as I could. And I'm starting to get some money rolling in now. And what I actually did was I purchased this new camera here. It's a GoPro Hero 9. So I've been using it for the last few videos, and hopefully you guys have noticed, maybe you've noticed a little bit of quality difference. It may be kind of hard to tell because I don't make my videos in very high resolution. I can't keep it real because my computer, she's not so fancy. All right, I gotta get the dog to the groomers. I will check in with you guys later, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.